The Tigers taking on the Rangers, 1-0 Detroit in the fourth. Justin Verlander facing Prince Fielder, who gets a hold of one to right. A line drive shot, number 23 on the year. We're knotted at one. Still in the fourth, bases loaded, one out. Verlander trying to get out of a jam. He strikes out Rougned Odor. Then down goes Chris Jimenez looking. Verlander escapes the inning. No damage done other than that one home run. In the fifth, the Tigers regain the lead. 2 and on for Tyler Collins, who lifts one to right. That leaves town. A 3-run blast off Colby Lewis's fourth of the season. 4-1 Tigers. Later in the frame, they add to it. James McCann, a 2-run single to make it 6-1 Detroit. That would be it for Lewis. Fast forward to the ninth, now 7-4, tying run at the plate. But Neftali Feliz gets Adrian Beltre to ground into the game-ending double play. The Tigers take it 7-4. Texas has now lost 3 straight. Justin Verlander gets the win, allowing 1 run in 6 innings while striking out 5. The series continues on Tuesday. Daniel Norris up against Cole Hamels.